Today we'll learn how to ask questions in English. Let's go! Asking questions is key to good conversations. Start with simple ones like, "What's your name?" or "Where are you from?" Want to know about someone's job? Ask, "What do you do?" To make it casual, try, "What's your job?" To learn about their interests, ask, "What do you like to do?" or "What's your hobby?" Easy, right? Here's a pro tip. Use polite phrases like, "Could you tell me?" or "May I ask?" for formal settings. Let's practice. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What do you like to do? Your task, ask at least one question in English today. Talking to others builds confidence. Practice daily and you'll master conversations in no time. Remember, every small step counts. Subscribe and stay tuned for Lesson 4. Together, we'll make English easy and fun. What's your favorite question? Say it in the comments below, like, share, and get ready for